Everyone thinks the best-selling RV tankless water heaters are automatically the best option. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, GIRARD water heater. Let's kick things off with the GIRARD tankless RV water heater. Priced at $790.33, what grabbed my attention here is its powerful performance at 42,000 BTUs and the fact that it runs on a 12V power system, keeping your energy consumption low. If you want consistent hot water without worrying about running out, this is worth a serious look. What makes this product appealing for RV owners is its efficient use of LP gas, consuming half the amount compared to traditional 6-gallon tank systems. The onboard microprocessor constantly monitors water temperatures, ensuring that you don't get hit with cold spots or scalding surprises. Plus, it has a flow rate of 1.5 gallons per minute, which is decent but may leave you wanting more if multiple people are showering at once. Now, some users have mentioned that professional installation is strongly recommended, which can add to the overall cost. Here's the thing though, if you're not comfortable with DIY projects, it's better to pay for installation to ensure everything works perfectly. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable and efficient water heater for your RV. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or need something that's easy to install yourself. Now, if the installation requirement of the GIRARD bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, FOGATTI Insta Shower 8 Plus. Next up is the FOGATTI Insta Shower 8 Plus, priced at $512.99. The first thing that caught my eye was its high-altitude performance, making it ideal for those mountainous adventures. If you want a solid setup that won't leave you cold at high elevations, this one's a great option. That's a huge plus when you're in the great outdoors and don't want to waste time waiting for hot water. Its high-altitude mode means you can still enjoy hot showers even at 9,800 feet, a feature many RVers will appreciate. However, some users reported issues with water temperature fluctuations. Here's the deal, while it can be a hassle, adjusting the flame control settings usually resolves the problem. If you're comfortable with a little tweaking, you'll be fine. This is perfect for you if you like traveling to high altitudes and need reliable hot water. Skip this if you prefer a product with a wider flow rate for group use. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize efficiency. Product number 3, FOGATTI Insta Shower 9 Pro. Here's another FOGATTI gem, the Insta Shower 9 Pro, available for $699.99. The 66,000 BTU output is impressive, and if you want a tankless water heater that can keep up with multiple showers, this is worth considering. With a flow rate of 3.6 gallons per minute, this unit provides a strong and steady hot water supply. What's cool is the built-in mixing tank that stabilizes water temperature, so you don't have to deal with sudden temperature changes. Plus, it operates flawlessly even under windy conditions, perfect for those breezy camping days. But some reviews highlighted concerns about the installation process being a bit tricky. Look, I get it, if you're not the handy type, it can be intimidating. However, if you're willing to take your time or get help, the performance you'll get is worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you're an outdoor enthusiast who enjoys long showers after a day of hiking. Skip this one if you want something straightforward and easy to install right out of the box. Now, if high BTU and flow rates are what you're after, the next product will absolutely catch your interest. Product number 4, RecPro RV Water Heater. The RecPro RV tankless water heater comes in at $484.95, and I love how compact and efficient it is. If space is a concern in your RV, this one's a smart choice. With a heat output of 42,000 BTUs and a reliable copper heat exchanger, you can expect solid performance without sacrificing space. It offers an adjustable flow rate and is designed for easy installation, which is a big deal for those of us who don't have a lot of room to work with. But some users found that it may struggle during peak demand, leading to inconsistent temperatures. Honestly, that can be frustrating. But if you're mainly using it for quick showers or washing dishes, it should serve you well. This is perfect for you if you have a smaller RV and need a compact solution. Skip this one if you frequently have multiple people showering at the same time and need higher output. Alright, if the size of the Rec Pro caught your attention, you'll definitely want to hear about our final option that takes power to the next level. Product number 5. Ranning RV Tankless Water Heater. Finally, let's talk about the Ranning RV Tankless Water Heater, priced at $343.17. What really impressed me here is the high output of 65,000 BTUs. If you need a reliable unit for family use, this is a fantastic option. Delivering a flow rate of 3.9 gallons per minute, this unit is designed for simultaneous use, perfect for larger families. The thermostatic mixing chamber keeps temperatures stable, which is great for avoiding those annoying hot and cold swings while showering. However, some users pointed out that it doesn't come with an exterior door, which can be a hassle. But if you're willing to invest in the door separately, you end up with a powerful water heater that gets the job done. This is perfect for you if you're a full-time RVer or have a big family that loves to camp together. Skip this one if you want a complete package right out of the box without additional purchases. So there you have it. Each of these water heaters has its own strengths and weaknesses, serving different needs in the RV community. To wrap it up, the GIRARD offers solid performance. The FOGAT TI Insta Shower 8 Plus excels in high altitudes, while the Insta Shower 9 Pro shines with its high BTU output. The Rec Pro is compact and efficient, and the Ranning is the best choice for larger families. No matter which one you choose, you'll be making a great investment in your RV experience.